Alright, so we're back and we're here talking about yet another DFRobot microcontroller. This is the hard to pronounce microcontroller, so we like to call it Duemilanove or Milanove. Again, this microcontroller isn't it's more shield friendly than it is just straight plug in. So get ready to purchase shields like the XB shield here that you have ready to go, which just kind of should pop on right like so, or something like the IO expansion, which is what I most commonly see this one with. Just kind of piggybacks on this. Again, when you choose your DFRobot, or when you choose your Arduino line microcontrollers, you basically want to choose it for what the purpose, what your project entails. Again, this has got a smaller footprint than all the other ones, unlike the Romeo, which is fairly large, or the DFRobot Mega. It's literally almost twice the size. Again, it really depends on what your project is and what you plan on doing. But again, it has shields. This supports many different things. You have independent power, you have USB, you have digital ports, you have serial ports, you have, I believe, I2C, you have analog, independent power in and out, things like that. So this is a great board to get started if you're fresh, if you're new, if you don't know much. It's small footprint. Again, go through our other reviews so you can see all the different products that you have with the Arduino from DFRobot, simply because you need to really pick the right board for the project that you're using. We happen to use all these different boards in many different projects. They all depend and vary. For example, we've actually used this board on a project where we mounted it in a plane. However, this is probably not the best board to use. You could probably use the Arduino, which is a much smaller, more condensed board, smaller footprint, but we found that this worked just as well, and we didn't have any problems really. A little bit heavy, but our plane was big enough that it didn't really matter. Anyway, so that concludes this quick introduction to the Arduino. Hard to pronounce Duemilanove microcontroller. We hope that this has helped you somewhat, and check out our actual full and extensive product review on our write-up so you can see exactly what you can and can't do with this product.